Hello with everyone, my name is Luis Melendez and for this week I'm going to show you my code and how is it running in my page on my web service. For this week 5 we have the first two collections with Crud operation and API documentation. The rubrics are Swabber is present, can be tasted, application correctly performs get post put and delete. List two collections. Okay. The video showed the updates are made to database. The proper HTTP status code returned. And for this part, we have the handling errors, try and catch, and return 400 and 500 status. Okay. So for the start, I'm going to show my database here in MongoDB. Okay. Okay. In this part, we have the books. Okay, because my project is Municipal Library Trujillo. Okay, and this part we have here in Trujillo, in the city that I am living now, because I'm from Peru. So this is we have here eight documents, and for the users we have four documents, and that is the users, and this is the books. Okay. So for this part, we need to start with open my VS Code and running here in the terminal my code. But first I'm going to show you here my controllers. Here we could see here I'm using try and I'm using catch, and because this is my get all books, this is the get books ID. Okay, the create book, update a book, and then the other. Okay, here we have the delay book. Okay, here we have the same thing. Get all users. Okay, and try and catch. I am using here try and catch here. The same for this part. Try and this part we have catch. Okay, and for the delay user try and catch, and this is export all. Okay, this part of the database. Okay, it's so important to copy this and equal. This is only an example because I can show you my IMD file, but you need to copy the same variable. Okay, and the error hundreds. This is the 400 errors and the 500 errors here. Internal server error and duplicate record which is already exists. Okay, and the roots. Here we have the roots in this part. Okay, and the index. When we run in our code, we will see this part library. Okay, and the users here we have the roots. Okay, it's so important that the roots exports. Okay, exporting the roots because we need to import here. Okay, here we have our validations for our data in our API. Okay, and we are exporting that. And here we have the validations here. Okay. Uh, okay. Here we have the git ignore because I am not uh, I am not commit my IND file, the node modules, and the packet in JSON. Okay. Here we have the package JSON, the server JSON. Here we have all the things that uh, we need for our server. And here we have the swagger. Okay, the swagger JS. Okay, so I'm going to run it npm run you here because okay, before I'm going to open here. Okay, this is my GitHub. I'm going to open here. Oh, sorry, I okay, I press in another. Okay, here we have the message. Okay, and I'm going to open here. Happy talks. Okay, and this is okay. Yeah, we have that, but if we open here, open and click and execute, we have an error because our local server is not running. So I'm going to run in here. Okay, that is running now, and I'm going to do again. Okay, click here. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to try it, paste here. Okay, we have this part. I'm going to copy the ID. I try it out. Copy here, and because this is a data of library, okay, I'm going to try to modify the. Oh, okay, sorry, wait a minute. I'm going to try to modify the total copies. Okay, we will have uh, 10, 10, 10. Okay, and we have that is true in the book update successfully. Okay, we'll verify. Okay, here, and we have 10 in our solver. Okay, for the next part here in the user is the same. Execute. We will copy any it's a random ID for this part and paste here because we need to verify that our code is running. Yeah, we have the information here, and we need to change. Uh, we need to change some data about this person, and we will change the first name. Okay, because we discovered the other name is Anam Annie. Okay, Annie or Anna here in Peru, and we need to copy this part, paste here. We delete the 80. Okay, okay, and we will delete this part. We delete that, and we put here. Okay, here we have Aina and success true. Okay, and we verify here and all the data, and here we could see, yeah, we have Anna Maria. So these changes will corroborate here in our database in MongoDB. Okay, I'm going to disconnect and connect again. Okay, the books. Here we have 10, and in the users, Maria, another name is Anna. Thank you for watching my video. This is my project for this week.